Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands. Get on the ground.
Get off! Get off!
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put them behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hop out of the car. What took you so long to pull over? I was behind you for at least a mile with lights and sirens. Well, I'm Deputy User Flag County Sheriff's Office. The reason I was stopping was for your speed. That was it. You're 70 to 60. Not really a big deal. Any reason why you wouldn't stop?
I didn't see you.
Okay. You guys have any marijuana in the vehicle at all? I smell it a little bit. Are you smoking in the car at all? Got it. Any weapons in the car or anything like that?
My name is Mark.
Okay. I'll get your information and write it down real quick, okay? I appreciate it. Is this your vehicle? I'll get the registration or anything, proof of insurance? Or a picture of it, or on the phone, or anything like that? Sorry, I just got to see proof of it that you have it, okay?
She got a picture of it.
Okay.
Says juvenile order of arrest, subject emancipated on 10/10/22, violation of home detention, disturbing peace, breach of the peace, no bond, pickup statewide, Florida only. Company will send for head confirmation.
I need you to step out of the car. I'm out of the car. I'm out of the car. I'm out of the car.
Stop! 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 Bro, what are you doing? Stop!
Three females acting as
Tripping, bro.
I'm out of the car.
Hey, stop.
Hop out of the car. Hop out of the car. Put your hands behind your back. I'm not telling you again. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands. Get on the ground.
Get off! Get off!
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put them behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hop out of the car. Put your hands behind your back. You're not. Stop resisting.
Stop. What are you doing? Stop, bro. You need a whole nother charge.
Keep your hands there.
I want to call my mama.
What is your mama number? I'm trying to call her.
Keep your hands there.
I
311 female security. You can feel the
know.
channel. I'm securing you. You have there's odor of marijuana in the vehicle. You're not under arrest. You're just being secured for duration of stop, okay?
So I ain't gonna better stop my mom.
You can. You're just going to go in cuffs for everyone's safety, okay? There's two of you. Yeah. Can you stand up for a second? I'm gonna patch off weapons, okay?
Yes, sir. You have anything in your pocket?
You lost that chance.
I'm trying to call my mom.
Let's go.
I don't know no number.
He told me I stand for him. I ain't do nothing. I didn't do anything. He just detained me because there was two officers and two of us.
You made that a lot harder than it had to be.
I want to talk to my mama.
Well, you shouldn't have fought me. All you had was a warrant. That would have been quick and easy. You would have bonded out.
I wanted to go.
You said you forced my hand. You put me in a dangerous position on the side of the road with cars flying by me.
You opened my car door.
I'm more than legally allowed to. You have a warrant for your arrest. I asked you to get out nicely. You said no.
I said, let me
I said no. I said we'll handle that. Good. And then you decided to clench the steering wheel and not take off the seatbelt. I don't understand it.
I just want my
I don't understand why you got so aggressive for no reason.
Because I don't like stuff like this.
All it was a simple traffic stop. That's it.
I don't have my license and my registration. That's all.
That's not a big deal. I don't care about the registration. All you have to do is have proof that you have it and insurance.
I would have had somebody send it to me.
All right. Well, I have a female deputy coming to search you, and then I'm towing your car. Where are you?
You towing my car?
Yes, I'm towing your car. You resisted with violence, and then you hit me.
He keeps out of my car. I
Is
didn't
that-
hit you.
You elbowed me several times.
I didn't elbow you.
My camera recorded the entire time, and that front camera recorded the entire incident. So I don't know what you want me to do.
So how he getting home?
He's gonna arrange a ride. Your car's being towed regardless.
From a minor offense. The girl faced 3 serious charges, including a felony that she probably never expected.
You basically resisted. Your car's getting towed. It's that simple.
So what jail I'm going to?
Flower County Inmate Facility. For your warrant, and then you're also being charged with resisting with violence and battery on Maria.
And how long I got to sit for that?
Yeah, EC's fine. Yeah, he's good to go whenever, man.
And what is that? I never got no charges.
Battery on law enforcement officer. It's a 3rd-degree felony.
Okay.
Resisting with violence is a misdemeanor. And then that marijuana, it's not his. It wasn't behind his seat. It was behind. It's behind your seat.
It's not mine, sir. I'm telling you.
In your vehicle.
I'm not the only one that drive my car.
Well, you're getting charged with it.
Okay.
Test kit.
What's
The marijuana that was in your bag. This deputy over here is going to search you, okay? Right up out of the car.
what else I'm doing? I got control. Because I got gloves. I'm already touching you. Man, take it off for you. We're not going to sit here and argue. I'm not going to argue with you, man.
What are you doing?
I'm not going to argue. I just snatched it off my head.
Okay, we're moving on.
Yep, move on. That's all I'm saying.
So, okay, listen. We're gonna move these cuffs again.
See your cuff, my cuff.
You move them.
Wait, what you
someone
mean
who
move them?
Well, people get
You need
crafty
that
and you're
shirt?
little.
Oh, because I had
I'm gonna
went
take
under
one of
my
your-
leg.
I'm gonna
because
take one
they
of your
was
cuffs
hurting
off.
my arm.
Do not.
I'm not finna do nothing.
Well, that's what you
Hey.
said before, and
Okay.
now we're in this predicament.
Why y'all all hurting me like this?
Do not move these back to the front again.
I had my nail broke. That's why I moved them.
I don't
they
care. That does not matter.
I
There's
didn't know
bigger
you
problems
said-
than a broken nail.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a seat.
How would I get home if the judge was to release me?
They're not gonna.
On the warrant?
So they don't even want to take. You're being charged with possession of marijuana, battery on law enforcement officer, resisting violence.
No, I'm saying you're not understanding what I'm saying.
I'm sorry.
So I'm going to jail just because them 3 charges.
For possession of marijuana, for battery on law enforcement, and for resisting violence.
3 charges.
Yes.
And them all felons.
No. Only one is
Which one a felon?
the battery.
I never hit you though.
You elbowed me in the stomach, and I have marks
Okay,
on my
show me the video again. Cause I swear I never hit you. Like,
elbowed me in the stomach and all over my chest, and I have marks on my arm.
cause we hit the ground.
Because I had to use my.
But I never hit you, sir.
Put me in a very dangerous position.
I never hit you though. I never hit you. I just kept trying to pull my arm away from you. I never hit you.